XDP Coolant Filtration Systems help increase the longevity of your cooling system by filtering out contaminants before reaching vital engine components. The Coolant Filtration System is designed to catch any debris floating in your cooling system before it gets caught in important components like your EGR cooler. The system is designed with easy-to-install pre-assembled silicone hoses and specially made mounting brackets so you can bolt this kit on with basic hand tools. Each kit includes a billet CNC machine aluminum filter base that is anodized with a black finish for superior underhood aesthetics. The included ball valves allow for minimal coolant loss during filter replacements, as well as a shutoff to bypass the system if needed. To find out more about XDP's line of coolant filtration systems, check out xdp.com or find a local dealer near you.